This is the Kospet Magic 2 fitness watch. You have do not disturb flashlight and a brightness display available to you, push notifications from your phone, and a look at your instant heart rate when you swipe in that direction. Coming up, you get to your app drawer where you have your status in terms of step count, distance traveled, and calories burned, messages, which we just saw to the left, last night's sleep time available and broken down for you, heart rate reading, which we already saw when we swiped the other way. You got the QR code for tethering to your app. You can also do blood oxygen measurements from this watch. You have a sports section with some 30 different activities, all of which will measure time versus calories burned and be available for you as a summary at the very end when you go into your sports summary section. You've got remote camera, remote music player, your twist your wrist to see the time. You've got a variety of countdown timers. You've got your overall screen brightness, which we saw already. You got the stopwatch for counting up. And find your phone. Overall settings include shutdown, reset, and about the watch, the Kospet Magic 2, and a variety of watch faces, all available to you just simply by pressing and holding and toggling through them. And that's it, the Kospet Magic 2. Check it out. TPU band, thin, nice.